Alright, I'm just leaving work and we're gonna go do a really fast fruit haul. We just wanted to show you how fast and easy this is. So, let's go! And this is probably gonna last us like, what, a good week or almost 2 weeks of fruit? Cool.
Oasis Supermarket. Where are we at?
We're at Oasis Supermarket. This is where we've been getting boxes of produce. Some of the boxes.
Yeah, lots of goodies.
We're getting coconuts.
Coconut.
I brought my jar and my straw. I'm all ready.
Piñas. Pineapples. So what are we getting?
So we're getting some oranges. These ones are 16.
Yeah, one more box of oranges. These are nice. Look at this one.
These are like a little less ripe. Do you want some for a few days from now?
The sooner ready the better.
Okay. I think this is like a good variety.
You can always mix and match it.
Because I want some that aren't just ripe yet.
Okay.
It's like these three, and these are really ripe. We got bananas, we got pineapples, we got oranges, 2 boxes. We got grapefruit, coconut water, 0 waste.
Grapefruit for me.
Minus this stupid bag.
Stupid bag. It's okay.
It has
it's hard to be perfect.
Yeah.
Vegetarian loaded up with fruit. Today, we're too late. Everything's closed.
It's okay.
But this is where we sometimes get California oranges. Switch it up a little bit.
And I guess we're showing you this also just to show you that like you can find the restaurant distributors in your area and then go to places that you normally wouldn't go for produce and like buy your stuff where restaurants buy their stuff so that you get whole boxes for a way cheaper price.
Let's check out what we got.
Yeah.
At that one place, the one place that we went to.
Yeah, so it's actually literally the next block down and it's called Oasis Supermarket and it's kind of like half like local stuff, half stuff that's brought in and imported. There's like sugar cane and all these tropical fruits and stuff. And then there's stuff that we don't really buy, but we just don't go to that section and we hang out with all the fruit boxes. And just from the beginning, we just ask them what they cost, and a lot of the time they're willing to hook it up because you're buying a whole box and taking that off their hands. And it's really cool. You start to like develop relationships with the people at these places, and they want to help you out, so you can definitely get some good deals. So come on, I'll show you what we got. And we spent $86 total. I got coconut water, we got turmeric, we got coconut meat, and then we got all of these boxes. So there's 2 boxes of Florida oranges. These 2 are Florida oranges. They were, what, 16 a piece? Or 15 a piece. And then a box of grapefruit, which I think was about the same price.
I think it was like 17.
17. We got a box of bananas, which was 17. And then a box of pineapple, which was 14. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
So yeah, we spent under $100 and we got all of both of our, or almost all of both of our food for at least a week. So this is like super manageable and it's local. There's no stickers on them.
Yeah, I love that.
So yeah, you can just really like find good stuff, I think. Just gotta be creative.
Yeah!
Woohoo!
Yeah!
Yay!
Look at that graffiti over there. The fruit and the animals. All alive.
brought half of the fruit haul back into the house.
Yeah, because we're keeping half in my car. Because this is actually my last day here with Glenda in this beautiful apartment.
Yeah. So, but we still thought we would show you like what one of us has, and then maybe Kuba will show you later what's in his car.
Yeah.
Still, if he wants to. But also, I have some like tips for fruit haul vibe and how to like store your fruit and go through it when you get back, because that stuff is important. Also, we forgot to tell you a great part of the fruit haul, especially if you live on a higher floor than the first, is unloading your fruit haul. You get a nice workout. Yeah.
I'm thinking it would have been cool if someone was filming us like walking up the stairs with these boxes.
So we have 3 pineapples, because Kuba and I split the box of 6, and then I believe it's a 35 or 40 pound box of oranges, and then a 40-pound box of bananas, and this little container of turmeric, which was the only plastic, which is nice. And so for the bananas, if you get them and they're still a little bit green, obviously you want them to ripen until they're spotty if you're gonna freeze them. Usually with bananas, I freeze them. I'll keep like a bunch or 2 out to eat, but for the most part, we take them out. And it's important to like take them out of the box once you get them and just move them gently somewhere else so that they don't get like super humid in the box. It'll attract. Yeah, there you go. There's the stages of bananas.
Rotation. So we have ripe ones already that we can start using up. Yeah, you can start using those up. So we bought these knowing that we still need a few days of bananas.
Right. And yeah, but just to store them, it's important that you take them out of the box, because otherwise you're going to get fruit flies and they're going to get like weird and green but ripe on the bottom. So it's just not the highest quality. But yeah, so we wait until they're ripe, like more ripe than this. Usually they should definitely fall off by themselves if you pick them up from here.
And there shouldn't be no green, like not even on the stem.
0 green. So like once bananas ripen, the starches and the sugars just mature, and they're a lot, and like the fiber is more digestible and bioavailable.
Like
and
these are not ready.
Yeah, not
they
ready.
still have a lot of green here. They're starting to spot up. These are much closer because they're really spotty. But you really want it to be like really freckly, dark brown.
I would definitely eat this if I was like out and about, because it's a little more convenient. But like if you wait for them to get a riper, like a day or 2 riper, then you can freeze them and they're super sweet.
When they're frozen,
ta-da, like this.
So this Amanda froze these.
Yeah, and you basically with this size box, you're gonna end up with like 3 of these frozen.
Yeah, at least 3.
Yeah, I would say about 3 like big,
3, and you have
big
some
containers.
left. But yeah, so there's a whole box of frozen nanners. Lovely.
That's how it's done. And then the oranges, we're moving on to the oranges now. When you get home with your oranges, you'll probably want to take the lid of the box and start going through them and just feel out that none of them have super soft spots, or that they're not like full of mold spores, because a lot of the time you will find 1 or 2 oranges that have gotten squished and then they start molding. And the spores are airborne spores, so if you leave it in there, all the ones around it are going to go bad, so you just want to make sure that you're taking those out. And you can use like the other half of the orange if a little bit of it is moldy, just like use it in your juice that day. So the pineapples, you can just take them out of the box and store them. I usually so I've heard that when you store pineapples, the sugar will like drip in the direction that you're storing it, so people will like store them upside down to make them extra sweet. I kind of just lay them on their side and then I just like rotate them, so I feel like all the sugars are like, I don't know how good that is to do. I just intuitively feel like that makes sense.
What I've done is, but this worked a lot of times, but the last time I did it with our friend Nick and it didn't work, so, but poking holes in the bottom and putting it in a bowl of water and out in the window, and then the pineapple thinks it's like back in the earth. So I think you have to do it properly, like make sure the temperature stays stable in the house.
Really?
Whatever. Because when I did it with Nick, I think it was outside, and then at night it was different temperatures. It didn't work properly. But at home I've done it, and it ripened faster, and the leaves start falling out. But if you do it wrong, it could ferment. But if you do it right, it's like it just helps ripen quicker.
Nice. But yeah, and that's the fruit haul. And then we have the turmeric, which is
more
a
yellow.
fruit and root haul. Yeah. And we're just probably gonna juice that. I threw a little bit in a smoothie this morning. Yeah, that's about it. There is how you prepare for your fruit haul, guys. Hope you enjoy it.
Till the next video.
Thank you, Kuba.
Alright, we are here in my car, my minivan, which is packed full of my stuff, as well as my fruit. I've been in Miami all winter, first time I escaped winter. Fruitarian lifestyle eventually will get you there. Because we want that tropical environment, because we're tropical beings when we break it down. But that's another story for another video. So I just want to show the fruit haul I have to take with me on the road. I got you can see my citrus press there. My Oster citrus press, and that's all I need to make juice on the road. I got my oranges to make juice, so it'll last me a while. Got my grapefruits to make juice. And then the pineapples, I will be visiting a friend where I can make some juice at his place. And at the market, I just got this beautiful big chunk of watermelon. Seems like it's starting to get in season. Also got some beautiful mangoes. I'm excited to try these Dominican mangoes. First time I'm seeing it this year. And they look delicious and perfect. Also got this bag of herbs at the market, but that's a whole nother story. Fruitarian herbalist, so in terms of herbs, they're very healing, support the body in other ways. So I got a lot of good stuff there, but this is the sustenance, this is the medicine. It's all medicine though. It's all beautiful plant medicine. So peace out y'all from Florida, near Miami. We in Hollywood right now, I believe. Hope you enjoyed that fruit haul with me and Amanda. Peace out. Hope you're inspired.